Good morning. We're going to talk about dual enrollment today. Dual enrollment through Montgomery County Community College here at Owen J. Roberts High School. We have a number of opportunities. The classes are taken here in the school, and the credits are then paid for and awarded through Montgomery County Community College. There's no additional coursework or anywhere to go to be able to earn the credits through Montgomery County Community College. The classes do change from year to year, so the teachers will let students know which classes are dual enroll eligible at the beginning of the school year once the students begin the class. If you have questions, you can certainly contact the guidance office in the summertime to see which classes are going to be dual enrolled. It depends on the course as well as the teacher teaching the class. They have to be certified as a professor through Montgomery County Community College and have the proper credentials to be approved by them. So today we're going to look at registration. This is the form that you can find on the Owen J. Roberts website under dual enrollment in the guidance area. There are simple steps to be taken to register, and again, the teacher will be going through this registration process. We also have Montgomery County Community College representatives who come out to the high school at the beginning of the school year. A few weeks into the school year, into the start of the year, they'll come out and work with students. If there's any questions or problems, they will help with the registration process. But today we're going to just go through a couple of the steps and pages and show you what's involved to hopefully clear up some of those questions, so this is a smooth process when students want to register. You can see here I have the page up, and we're going to start at step 1. Let me move this out of the way. Step 1, we're going to create an account. So the first thing you need to do is create an account. Here is the website which you're going to visit to create your ID. So if we go to this tab, this is where you're going to create your ID. You're going to put in some very basic information, phone number here, birth date, your address, and so on and so forth. And you see here it says dual enrollment non-degree. So you're just getting the credits that will hopefully be credits that we can transfer over to the four-year college or university that you'll be attending later. So you're going to create a password at the bottom, and then of course at the bottom here is your create your account button. Once you create your account, they're going to send you an email, or you can go to the My Account tab on the Montgomery County portal. But they will send you a confirmation email. You see here they'll send you a confirmation email which will have your account number in it, which will then take us to step 2. Let me click up here to this page. You can see the website right here where we're going to visit. And this is the dual enrollment registration form. Now you see one of the tabs here has the 7-digit Montgomery County Community College ID. You have to put that in there to move forward with this registration process. Basically, you are registering to become a Montgomery County Community College student. So you can go through and read all of your disclaimer and requirements here for Montgomery County Community College. This section here is particularly important. Parents' names, and make sure that you get the parent email correct, because when you're finished with this process, you're going to validate the form and then you're going to submit it. When you submit the form, it triggers an email to be sent to your parent, and the parent then needs to go on there and verify. Let's go back to our registration steps here. So once you complete the registration form, an email message will be sent to the parent to authorize the participation in this class. Obviously, this is a class that's going to cost money. I believe in the 2018-19 school year, a 3-credit class is $191. We have some 2-credit classes through weight training. The majority of our classes are either 3 or 6 credit courses. So that is the going number. Once the parent gets the email and does the permission, then the payment or bill will be sent out to the parent. You should get that in a reasonable time frame. If you don't get a bill for the course, that's sort of a red flag. To go back and make some phone calls and make sure that you're registered for the class. Obviously, Montgomery County Community College is looking for their tuition. So once you pay for that, you just take the class. When the class is complete, the teacher will put the grade that you receive here into the system at Montgomery County Community College, and that will begin your Montgomery County Community College transcript. At the end of your senior year, when you enroll in a college and you want these credits to be transferred over, you just call the university, the Montgomery County Community College, and you talk to where the university would like the information sent, and you work directly with Montgomery County Community College and the college or university that you're going to be attending, so they can send that official transcript over and award the proper credit for those classes. So that really wraps up dual enrollment for us. Again, if you have any questions, there's a phone number here. They're very helpful. They have registration folks as well as technical people who can help you with the technical side of things if there's any problems with the computer. But it's a rather simple process, and we hope lots of students take advantage of this because the credits are very inexpensive and there isn't any other additional steps to receive those credits. That's all for today. Good luck.